What is form reading, and how do I use it? Form reading is used to read responses back to you for most quiz questions in most learning management systems. We are currently on a Canvas Classic quiz. Begin by clicking on the Activate ReadSpeaker tab. Position the player on the screen. Click on the 3 lines to the left of Listen. Toggle on Form Reading. Highlight your question and answer choices. Then click Listen.
Which of the following was the first mechanical form of writing? Manual typewriter, word processor, electric typewriter, dictation.
We know the answer is manual typewriter.
Group of answer choices. Select manual typewriter.
Now let's advance to question 2. Highlight your question and answer choices, and click Listen.
TTS stands for text-to-speech. True. False.
We know the answer is false.
Group of answer choices. Select false.
And now for our last question. Highlight your question and click Listen.
TTS stands for to speech. Enter.
Type in the word text and click outside the box.
You wrote text.
When you have finished your quiz, toggle off form reading. This is a great tool to use to ensure that you selected or wrote your intended answer.